Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I know you guys have asked for some requests, so today I'm going to make a curry by popular demand, and it's going to be the easiest curry you're ever going to make. The reason for that is I'm not going to be using any onions, garlic, ginger, any of those kind of things. I'm literally using a tin of white kidney beans, which have been drained. I've got some tomato puree, so a little bit of that. And then I'm using curry powder, potatoes, and if you guys have got Maggi cubes, every African household has Maggi. But if you don't have Maggi, you can use any kind of Knorr kind of stock cube type thing. I'm using the vegetarian ones. And that's literally it. I'm going to put the tomato paste in first. So that's a heaped tablespoon into hot oil. And you want to sizzle that off. And as soon as it hits the pan, I'm wearing white, I don't know why I'm wearing white. As soon as it starts to sizzle, you can see it in here. You want to cook out the tomato paste. So once it gets to that, we're going to then add in our curry powder. And here's the trick, you need to add water at this point, because you need to cook out the curry powder. So I'm just going to cook that through. Oh, so much steam, sorry guys. And you can see it quickly turns into a very, very thick paste. Keep adding the water to that. And this is how we cook the curry powder off. And you'll end up with a lovely kind of gravy almost. Let me take it off the heat so you can actually see. Hold on one second. Ah. Okay, so can you see? It's almost like a trick. So you've got a lovely glossy kind of curry sauce already, if you can see that. Okay. And then the next step is to add in the rest of the ingredients, which is just going to be the tinned beans. They're going in. Our potatoes are going in. One-handed. There we go. And then our stock. And then some more water just to top it up. And that is it, guys. Seriously. Right, guys, so this is about 10 minutes into cooking. And I've just turned it down to a simmer. And as you can see, it's quite thick already. The beans have got quite a lot of starch, and so do the potatoes. So naturally, as they cook, they start to thicken. There you have it, guys, my gorgeous potato and white bean curry. You can use cannellini beans or any other beans you like, but look how thick, rich it looks. And it was only 5 ingredients. You can top it with coriander if you want. You can add chili, but I hope you love it.